Hello YouTube, it's we here again, Morris and Bob from Morris Mini Motors. Today we have a 50cc twin, Kavan 50, I think it's made in Germany, running with a wet sump, fully gas conversion. The engine was originally glow, now it runs on spark CDI there with a warmer carb to the back. Customer sent it from Italy. We did the full modification on it. We're running the 20-8 prop that we had lying around, so recommend a slightly bigger pitch, a 10 or 12 pitch on it as well. Fuel mix is 2% oil, and we have oil in the sump, so we're gonna give it a run up and see what you think. Mr. Bobby's, switch on. As you can see, really good transition, sounds great as well. This is our setup. There is your sensor, pickup and magnet ring, and again the WT carb fit to the back. We had to add two 10mm spacers here to widen the engine mount in order to get the carb fitted. But otherwise than that, we're quite happy, and I'm sure the customer would as well. So that's it today. Cheers, bye.